Froggies for breakfast. Froggies for breakfast. Can you say this is Froggies?
Froggies? Don't know about froggies. Where do froggies come from? So it's been 255 days. Can you see that? Is it the right way around? Since I last uploaded a YouTube video. That's quite a long time. And I just wanted to kind of figure out why has it been so long? And what I figured out is that it's probably a combination of two different things. The first thing is that YouTube used to bring me fun. But then YouTube started giving me a whole heap of other stuff. This sense of kind of, I had to do it. This sense of obligation. And you know, I really don't enjoy feeling that sense of obligation, that I kind of had to do it. And the fun that made me start doing YouTube in the first place, fun using cameras, fun kind of sharing what I knew about the world, that had kind of disappeared. Now, I know a lot of that was probably to do with the pandemic. The light's gone off. I had to spend a lot of time kind of helping out the government and helping out lots of people over the last 2.5 years. And I think I neglected myself and what I needed to do. That sense of fun just kind of like has evaporated in my life. But there's one other thing that I think YouTube made me feel, which I didn't like. Yeah, I really, really didn't like feeling lonely. And the more I was doing YouTube, the more kind of divorced I was feeling from what other people may be going through or what they were even interested in. And I started thinking more about their needs than my own. You know, YouTube is just such a lonely business, particularly if you're just like a small channel like me. You're doing everything by yourself. You're trying to figure out what you're going to make a video about. You have to kind of record, you have to edit. You have to do thumbnails, you have to kind of like get it up there, you have to kind of figure out whether people like it or not, how often you're going to publish. All of these different things go into whatever you know all this stuff. And yeah, there are online communities and places you can go and courses you can do, but it's just not the same as being with other people. And in the pandemic, when we're all apart from each other, well, it just got too much to kind of do everything. So I really hurt my back about a week ago. I didn't take the dog for a walk since December 22nd. It's now, what, 28th? And I need to be doing these rehab exercises pretty much every day. So that's pretty cool. And it would be nice to be able to start walking again. So yeah, I better go and do those. In my lower back. The original injury was in my soleus, which is kind of like the underneath part of your calf muscle. And I did it at the end of a 14k run. And running is what I'm trying to get back to again. So I'm sure I'll talk to you about that. Ooh, another time. Maybe I got to find a way of kind of getting into this not so all in, or maybe go fully all in for a while and just learn how to do this again and do this like in front of you guys, with you guys, because I'd love to have you back on board again. I really enjoyed YouTube in the past. There's so many cool things it's kind of enabled me to do. Yep, I'm going in the front. Now, let me get this off. Oh. Yeah, I'm doing this course with Casey Neistat, and joining me again. If you're back and if it's the first time, welcome, welcome.
That's smooth. Really smooth coffee.
Buildings around here now where everybody's living.
It's kind of hard to believe, but it's actually gloomier than it has been over the past 4 days.
Whoa! And also, watch out for the trees.
So yeah, Tiananmen Square, finally here. The sun is trying to burn through this incredible smoke. Not able to do it really. Okay, I better hold on here whilst I do this. Oh, look. Okay, I'm...
Hi, Liv!
And... Steeper Hills, about 11k in.
I'm going to come back. I'm not committing to like every day, but maybe a bit more often than I used to for a little while whilst I get back up to speed again. Chill. Laters.